We're going to do the 32-foot Nexus Wraith Super C Motorhome. This thing has a ton of storage, full body paint. It's got a 15,000 pound tow capacity, and to me, way better quality than the Thor Motorhome, the Thor Omni I did last week. Look at this door. You can slam it. It's not going to slam back and hit against the coach. It's got a great hinge, good hardware, high quality. You're not going to see it go bang against the side of your coach. It's going to stay in place, which means it's not going to bend. And don't forget to see my boy at Coyote RV Rentals and Sales. He has this on sale on his lot right now. And let me tell you guys, I can't give away the price that he is selling it for because I think Nexus, if they found out, would shoot him for it. So not only does it have an 8,000 watt generator, but it's on an international chassis with a Cummins diesel motor. Hey, tell me what you guys think in a 32-foot coach when this is all over. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this floor plan. Wide open, nice big living space for a 32-foot coach. Now, as usual, I do one section at a time. I show it to you closed up, and then I open up all the storage so you guys can check it out and know what you're getting yourself into. And here's me showing you how the couch folds into a bed. Now it's pretty cool that couch actually has seat belts too for when you got passengers traveling with you. Tons of kitchen storage, a nice sink, good counter space for a small motorhome. It's a one-piece sink. And in this particular model, they put a propane electric refrigerator, as you'll see as we get towards the end here of the kitchen. And, you know, at the end of the day, they probably could have put a residential, but I believe that the company had the dry camper in thought, because a propane electric refrigerator probably lasts a little bit better than a full battery powered electric refrige. Full walk around queen bed with windows on both sides so you can have cross ventilation and don't feel like you're stuck in a cave back there. And then the bedroom has so much space for clothing, linens, extras, and you're going to see as this proceeds a little bit of a hidden space for storage. Now the bathroom door to the toilet actually closes off the bedroom and the shower area to give you privacy. And in this case, you kind of get dinner and a show since the shower is directly across from the master bed. And I'm showing you at 5'10" how much space that you actually have inside the shower, which is pretty good headroom. And of course, detachable, we'll call it butt cleaner. Now, when we go into the toilet room here, there's a lot of good counter space, of course, storage, but the cool part is you can pretty much dance inside the toilet room and plenty of elbow space. In the top right hand corner, guys, is another Super C walkthrough.